That's the most amazing thing, is the results come so fast.
It is an incredible, incredible product.
Bios Life Slim is wonderful.
It's just incredible.
Are you like over 50% of the population that's overweight? Do you struggle fitting into your favorite clothes? Does it seem like you've tried everything, and yet you still have those problem areas that just won't go away? Well, now there's a product for you, Bios Life Slim, the first real scientific breakthrough in fat loss in over 30 years.
Bios Life Slim is a life-changing product.
It's just such an incredible product. What it does for you is just, I can't say enough about it.
I was confident that it would just be a perfect home run, healthy product for him to be taking. And so he began to take the product. We began to see results.
Bios Life Slim is unique because it's not a weight loss product. It's a fat loss product.
In the first 2 weeks, I lost 4 inches.
In the first week of using it, I lost 5 inches.
I've lost 46 pounds, 34 inches, and 18% body fat.
I've lost 22 pounds.
I've lost at least 4 inches in my waist. I've lost 66 3/4 inches, and I feel incredibly marvelous.
Bios Life Slim not only reduces the amount of fat your body stores, it also helps existing fat to be burned away, naturally. No stimulants, no starving, and no jitters.
People look at you and they say, wow, you really look terrific. How did you do it?
It's just everywhere that I went, people were amazed. I love being able to see people who I haven't seen in a while, and they ask, what have you done?
A friend that I haven't seen for probably 6 months says, you look 10 years younger. He says, you look incredible. And she says, I need this. I want this. And so she did. And so now she's on the product herself.
The process of fully turning on your natural fat-burning abilities may take up to 90 days, but most people start seeing benefits after 6 weeks. As your body starts to burn away excess fat, your energy levels will improve, and you will sense a need to increase physical activity. You don't need to adopt an aggressive exercise routine. Just increase the amount you walk, or simply find ways to be a little more active throughout your day. Not only will this help your body make the transition, but it will also accelerate your fat loss.
My energy level boosted. It was wonderful.
That is one of the really big things I notice, is the energy level.
After the first week, I noticed what a difference I felt. I felt like I had a lot more energy, have an incredible energy, and an incredible energy for life.
It's just exciting. It's wonderful to see the smile on his face and just know that he just feels so much better.
I'm not sitting in front of the TV and vegetating and falling asleep. I'm active and going. It has changed my life.
What more can I say? Bios Life Slim is a revolutionary product helping people from all walks of life.
The benefits are so incredible.
If it can work for me, I know it'll work for you.
I've been a nurse practitioner for about 6 years, and Bios Life Slim is a product that I would recommend to any one of my patients.
You know, I would, with confidence, be able to recommend this product to any mother or family that's considering weight loss in their family for their children.
I think with Bios Life Slim, it's not just the inches that you lose, but it is the confidence that you gain. I'm very excited about Bios Life Slim. I think it's made a lifetime change for me.
I will take Bios Life Slim forever. It will be part of my regimen for the rest of my life.
Are you ready for a new you? Are you ready to get slim?